What's up YouTube? I have an unboxing video of my Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-800 Salmon 37. This is one of my Christmas models, and I really like it. It's a very detailed model, and I'll start off with the box. There's the Geminijets logo, made for collectors by collectors, two-dimensional picture of the aircraft, and Alaska Airlines, Boeing 737-800, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Look inside. I'll do that part in a minute. And then there's Geminijets, typical Geminijets stuff. Normal Geminijets box, Geminijets again. Picture of the aircraft, Boeing 737-800. And more Geminijets stuff, Geminijets, adult collectible model. Yep, just normal Geminijets stuff. And same on this side. Get to the inside. The Alaska Airlines 737-800. You can all the stuff about 737-800. You can press pause and read that. My hand's really shaky. No. I can't stop shaking. There you go. And then there's the specifications about the aircraft. You can read that. And picture the plane. There's the plane. In there. It's a very detailed model. And I'll do the back. Plane climbing. I've noticed that it shows like a little fin of the fish. Like right here. Like sticking out of the plane. It's kind of interesting. And normal Gemini just as real as it gets. Highly collectible, blah, 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 blah. Alaska Airlines licensed product. Boeing officially licensed product, 737, made in China. 2013 Geminijets, Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. And just normal stuff. So I'm going to put my iPod up here next to all these other planes. And just, there we go. Here's the plane. Plastic piece. Always like a little piece of plastic. And the box there. It's a really nice plane. I really like it. So here, start off with the tail of the plane. You have the tail, has the tail of the salmon on it. And there's tail wings. The normal 737-800 back wings. And the salmon goes across the whole length of the aircraft. And cool coloring of the writing Alaska. Then it says Wild Alaska Seafood. Registration is N559AS. I'm going to go back here because my camera's not focusing. And the winglet kind of matches up with the fin of the plane. So that's cool. And then there's the nose of the plane. And engine's very detailed. You can't really tell, but sort of can tell. And there's the bottom of the plane. There's the water. And then the bottom of the fish. And the Geminijets logo. The fish is very detailed. It's pretty cool. And there's the landing gear. Where the landing gear go. Winglet. Other winglet. It's a very cool plane. I highly recommend it. If you can find it. I got this from AlaskaAirlines.com. From their gift shop. They also have it on Atom Jets, I think. Yeah. So that's about it. To give you a couple shots of the plane. Oh wait, and there's where the passengers go when they go out the exits. Can't get this to focus. And then just the fuel tank, lines that line the fuel tank. And here's the front view of the plane. And side view. Back view. Looks pretty cool. And the other side view. So, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.